Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Mitsubishi Lancer remote. First, gather all the remotes you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. You'll also need to locate the diagnostic port, typically found under the driver's side dashboard. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for all your remotes. Now, let's get your Lancer into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition, then immediately remove it. Next, press the hazard warning light button 6 times within a 10-second window. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when the door locks automatically cycle, indicating the car is ready to learn new remote signals. This step is crucial for the next phase. With the car in programming mode, it's time to program each remote. Take your first remote and press the lock button twice. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this remote has been successfully programmed. If you have additional remotes, repeat this exact step for each one. Ensure you program all remotes you intend to use during this single session. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. The door locks will cycle one last time, signaling that the process is complete. Now, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed remotes to ensure they all function correctly. If any remote isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.